everyone, it's Chris and welcome back to the Ridge. Today, we're cleaning out the sugar shack because you know what? It's about to be maple season. So we're gonna get this thing cleaned up. We're gonna get ready to rock.
Join us.
Sweet Maple Ridge Farms. Come on down, everybody. Go! Got everything all cleaned up. Got some chicken noodle soup on the stove here. Got this thing fired up. It's really kicking off some good heat. And we have our Dauntless soaking in vinegar solution. So that's how we clean it. We're gonna fire this thing up in a minute. Get that vinegar solution going. We're about to eat a delicious meal of soup on this snowy day. We also took the time to sweep, vacuum, and wipe everything down with Clorox cleanup and some Formula 409 to make sure that everything is clean and ready to go for the upcoming maple season. Here's our cupola that works great. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We really appreciate it. We're going to light the Dauntless to get this vinegar solution simmering now. So we're going to let this simmer for a while to try to get all the sugar sand from last season off of there. Should have done it probably last year, but we procrastinated. But now we're going to make sure that we're ready for the upcoming maple season, which will be here before we know it. One of our favorite things to do in the Sugar Shack, besides make maple syrup, is to eat delicious food. Part of making maple syrup is making sure you have enough firewood. We've really worked on getting our firewood stock up. I think we're good. We certainly have more than we had last year. So anyways, that's it. That's the video. If you want to continue learning how to rely less and create more from high atop the Allegheny Plateau, please make sure you like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time out on the ridge.